Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Now today I'm very excited to show you this unboxing that I got from the range. Now if you remember in a previous video I did state that they've been doing these new card products, and the previous lot I got before was of a giraffe and I think it was a tiger, and I could not resist going back and getting these. Now remember I said that they were birthday cards. Well, these are the birthday cards, and you do get two in a pack, as you can see. So you get this one and you get a cupcake one, two in a pack, $1.99, an absolute bargain. You get obviously your tray here and the drills, and you also get provided some envelopes as well. So I'm going to show you what these look like, because when you get it up in the first pack, you don't actually get to see the second card until you open it, which is, I think, pretty cool because it gets you to buy it. I really like this card because it's just got that lovely pink behind it, and then you've got some gold like balloons there, which are basically heart balloons. And then there's some pinks and your classic whites. I feel like this is like a happy birthday and a Valentine's at the same time. But this is the card itself. As you can see, your sticky, stick. That is, wow. Okay, that is not sticky at all. That is, wow. Okay, we could have a bit of a problem with that. That's not very sticky, but around the edge of here they've actually bordered this as well, which is quite nice because I think that will bring out the happy birthday. If you have trouble sticking this, then you're probably going to need some art sealer to sort that out, but you can get that with Craft Buddy. So that's that. I don't plan on giving these away. I like to cut them off and I get a free envelope out of it, or you could buy some. They're really cheap to do, hand make them, give them to someone's birthday, whack a $5 in there or something, you know. So we've got that, and we've got two envelopes provided, and look at this. Oh wow, no bloody way, look at the detail on this. Oh my god, look. So we've got the whipped cream, they've even chucked in candles, and it's very nice because I've done candles in the past where only like the stalk bit's done and the flame isn't. They've gone all in this one, because what they've done is they've done the candles, they've also done like the outside of the flame and the inside of the flame as well. How cool is that? The happy birthday is all diamond painted as well. You've got the pink icing, the yellow cupcake casing, if you like. I'm so excited, I'm getting jumbled up here. And we got a beautiful love heart. I will tell you what, that's a superb card. And we'll check the stick. Yeah, it is really weak on the stick side, guys, but remember you're paying $1.99, so you get what you pay for here. I don't think I could probably like keep that as a post. I'd have to drill it and give it to someone. It is that good. Like, could you imagine? Like, that is insane. I mean, even as a gift, as said, these projects are fantastic for stocking fillers, Christmases, birthdays, Easter. You know, you don't have to have it for a specific birthday. Although it says happy birthday, you could get someone it for Easter, get someone it for Christmas, and then, you know, they can do it for a birthday, for like if they've got a birthday friend to do. So let's take a look at the boat. We've got our standard boat, as you can see. It is in my best belief that the Ziplocs are being phased out, because these cellophane ones come up more and more and more. We've got a dark blue. These are very vibrant colours here. Pastel sort of vibe, I should imagine, but they are very, very sharp in colour there. So we've got pink, we've got a yellow, we've got an orangey colour, a yellowy colour, a white, we've got a pink, another pink, and a yellow. So an absolute fabulous, fabulous set of cards. Now the second thing is gonna blow your mind. Yes, now you know I'm doing the May theme at the moment. Well, I've been hunting for another painting to take over the current one that we're doing, which we'll be finishing soon. I only found this. Isn't that bloody lovely? So the trouble is with the range, every time I go, there seems to be, I've got like a list, and I put down a list of what I want to get, and then every time I go there, there's new things that have come out, and I'm like, oh no, that's the list gone out the window, you know? And I thought, oh my god, this was retailing at $2.99. They've got a koala, and with the cards, they've actually got like dinosaur cards as well. So that's probably going to be my next one because I love my dinosaurs. But I thought this was really, really nice. Unlike the Hinkler Create ones where you get that cheap cardboard stand, this one actually comes with a proper photo frame and a stand. So for £3, this is just going to look brilliant. I think these are going to be crystals, and on the back here, That's what it's going to be looking like. So in the pack, you get your photo frame, your diamond rhinestones, sorting tray, diamond painting pen, diamond painting canvas, silicone clay, and instruction sheet. So let's take a look in here. I can't wait to get into this. It's been an agonising 2 days. I've had it for like 2 days now. So it is really, really, I think this is a fantastic company. The range, oh my God, like, you can find literally anything in there. It's such a fantastic shop. Oh yes, look at that. Them drills are superb. Right, we'll get to them in a minute, but this is, I don't think I've ever done a painting like this with this lovely wooden frame before. This is really, really lovely of them to include that. So just as I said, they're being phased out. It doesn't look like it because they've provided it. And then in here, if you're new to diamond painting, it just shows you how to do your diamond painting. But for experienced diamond painters like me, you won't be needing that because you roughly know what you're going to do. This frame is superb. Look at that. I'm not going to open it just yet because obviously we're not got round to painting it. But what you will do is on the back, I mean, that is quality for £3. That is fantastic. I mean, you probably would only get a frame for £3 in some shops like that. But to chuck in the painting as well, I mean, that is out of this world. So you've got like your different hooks for you. You've got the stand if you wanted to put that on. And then look at that. I mean, that's just, I can't get over that. And it is very interesting here, cut along the dotted line. So what they're saying for you to do, you could put your washi tape around the edge here, and then obviously cut that white border off so that it goes into the frame, and then obviously eventually it will look something like that within the frame, and the white just kicks it off, doesn't it? This lovely border going round. Once you've cut that white off of here, that's really going to bring it out. But I mean, it's crystal clear, isn't it? You can't get any better than that. That is absolutely superb. We've got some big drills here as well. I think this is going to be a fabulous, fabulous kit. And let's take a look at the drills. Oh my God, Liz Harrison, look at that. Oh my, oh wow, you're going to like this. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And you've got big ones as well. So you've got the little big gems. I like the way it's gone from light pink, and then you've got a slightly darker pink, and then an even darker pink. That pink is beautiful. And then we've got a dark green. Again, beautiful, beautiful colours here with the teal as well. We've got a lime green, a cherry, oh, baby. You know that cherry song from UB40? Or Red, Red Wine. Dark blue, again, these are superb. I mean, look, you've probably got every pink you could get to. And then we've got an orange, a gold, and a yellow. I tell you what, I've been diamond painting for, what, 2 years now, and I've never come across something that looks like that with the frame. I mean, that is just making me want to go back more. I have seen a lot of paintings up there, guys. We've got bumblebees, we've got horses, we've got 2 horses running on a lake. Every time I go there, there's more and more things. Like, I'm forever spending in this shop. But if you want to get this for yourself, it is available through the range. As you can see, the flower frame crystal kit. If you don't have a range in your area or a local shop, you can always order it online, providing they've got stock of it. I will try and get the link for that from the range website so that you guys can get your orders in. And then obviously, let's just check the stick actually on here. Yeah, that's a lot more better stick, but I will be very serious with you here. This is very, very weak stick, so I've got a feeling we're going to have some sliding issues with this. This one hardly has any stick to it, but all we can do is hope and pray that we can do that. If it does keep sliding on us, then what we can do is we'll just put some sealer down and we'll do it that way. But I cannot tell you how lovely this is. This is a superb kit, and I can't wait to do it. And what's really nice about this is, although you've got this for the flower, this looks like a 20x20. I mean, I don't have a tape measure to hand, but what you could do is each month you could change your 20x20. So perhaps you could want that one in there one time, and then perhaps another time you could have good old little Charlie here, you know, in there. You know, it is possible to do it. You just cut this border off here and then just place it in. So you don't necessarily have to have that all the time. I'll tell you what, if they've got another one of these when I go back next week, because I try to get up there once a week, sometimes 3 times a week if I'm lucky, I will probably get another one of these, because this would make a perfect Mother's Day gift, or like, you know, a gift for your family member. My mum absolutely loves flowers, so if I could like diamond paint that all up, and do that for her. She'd absolutely love that. So I think that's fantastic. But anyway, enough rambling on. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be doing more from the range very, very soon, but we'll be returning back to Temu the week after this. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I have noticed some of you do watch and you're not subscribed, so you might as well subscribe. Always tap that notification bell and you'll be alerted as and when a video goes up. And get shopping with the range today, and you can get all these wonderful products. Products or projects, did I just say? I think so, projects. All these wonderful products. But anyway, a lovely evening ahead to you guys, and we'll see you again for more whip and chatting soon. I can't wait to get in, diamond paint with these. But until then, take care. Ta-la.